Hi guys, so today you're going to be meeting someone, a very special guest. He's one of our fans and he's from Jamaica. This is his second or third time in Kenya. Right. So today we're just going to have a meal with him, talk about his experience
in Kenya so far.
Yeah.
And we have a good surprise for you guys. We'll be meeting one of your favorite YouTubers, a guy called Kenyan Beast. I'm sure a lot of you know about him. So we'll be going with Kenyan Beast and we're hoping to have a good time, right?
Right.
Yeah, we've been asking a lot of you to come to Kenya, to visit Kenya, and a lot of Jamaicans have shown interest, but we actually have a brother who's visited Kenya, and we want him to tell us his experience about it, because there's something he's trying to do in Kenya, and he's trying to lobby for, you know, an easy way people can get to come to Kenya, Black Americans and Jamaicans in general. So we are just going to talk to him about that. Yeah, and we'll see how it goes.
Kenyan Beast.
Yeah, how
Say
are you?
hi to our audience.
Hello, my Twinshangout people, followers, audience. It's audience or audience?
Well, audience.
Yeah, I am the Kenyan Beast, and we are doing it African way. Me and the twins here.
Yeah. So have you ever met a Jamaican?
No. I haven't met any Jamaican. I just talk to them, on phone. But physically, never. Never.
Okay, so today we are going to meet one Jamaican.
Wow.
How are you feeling about that?
I'm feeling, as you see me, I'm shining. I don't know if they can see me well. Yeah, I'm shining because I believe Jamaica is when you want to meet Jamaica, you have to be joyful.
They are very joyful.
They are very joyful.
So, Maren, you see the vehicle? Hey, Livingstone. Today we are going to meet a Jamaican in flesh. Today we are going to meet a Jamaican in flesh and okay. Let's see, we sit in front. Nika hapa. All right. Oh. Sasa. Oh, mlango umeshikana.
Maren, how do you feel? Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Looking forward to meeting. He's called Julius. Yeah.
Kenyan Beast.
I'm excited to meet a Jamaican for the first time.
Right.
Yeah.
So guys, today we are going back to Jamrock and we're going to be meeting a Jamaican. And this is his, I believe, second or third time in Kenya. Yeah, and we're just happy because we want to see how his stay in Kenya has been like. And
another person I'm looking forward to meeting is Ricardo.
By the way, we've heard of Chef Ricardo.
Yeah, even me. I saw in my comments. Yeah.
You never met him?
No, I never met him. Yeah, I never met him.
But we heard that he usually holds a cookout in Jamrock on Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays, if I'm not wrong, right? So guys, this is Nairobi. It's been raining of late, but right now at least the weather is better and it's not flooded anymore.
But I guarantee you when it starts raining, it will be flooded in 20 minutes.
Yes, in 20 minutes it will be flooded.
I walk miles to get to you, babe. I don't know why I can't see you there. I've tried to be there, but every day I fall back, and now it's break my heart, babe. I'm trying to be there.
So guys, we've just arrived and we're about to meet our guest right now. We're just paying the Uber driver. Maren, you have cash or anything? Pay cash. Okay. Yep.
Guys, we have arrived. Apart from this flood that is threatening our lives, Kenyan Beast, you're leaving your bag.
I can't leave that bag.
Oh, you can't? I thought you had forgotten. Here, Maureen.
I'm not. Siumi was sour.
So, asante ampli. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is my phone. Oh Lord, I had forgotten. Meaning if it didn't fall, it had. Oh Lord. So we are here, guys, and oh my goodness, I'm already seeing somebody. somebody who's looking like the person we are going to meet. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I'm normally nervous around new people, you know.
Right.
I'm
It's
normally
recording.
yes, it's recording. I'm
And
normally
also-
nervous around new people.
Yeah, and I'm also seeing Chef Ricardo.
That's why a man is
Yeah.
here. The best.
Okay, let's.
I once.
You once did. Okay, then.
Just take it.
Hello, ladies. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
I know I'm so tall, eh? And I just saw your channel. I was watching.
Nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you, Maren.
Hi.
So my name is Maureen.
Maureen?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's Maren.
Lauren.
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
And this one is called Livingstone.
Okay.
This channel is Kenyan.
Jam tours.
Hello.
What's up? How is everything?
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good to see you guys here.
Thank you.
First
My
time
name
you
is-
guys came here, I wasn't here.
Yeah.
Now you guys came here, I'm here.
Oh,
So
it's good. It's good
see.
to meet you. So, jump to us. Okay, I'm interested to know when was your first time coming to Kenya, and why did you choose Kenya?
Well, I actually chose Ghana, to be honest with you. I know 2017, I wake up saying peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. So I think for me, started saying that it was actually in me to come to Africa. So in the pandemic, I was like to get out of Jamaica. It was so small, enough lockdown, and for me, I always want to be on a continent of people. And I always feel like if I have a business, it will be better on a continent of people and not just like small Jamaica. There's an opportunity here. Everybody, the minute you're black and you come from the West, they call you Black American. So I'm going to just say African American. African Americans have money. African Americans spend about $12 billion on weave. You know that false hair that people wear? Yeah, in the last 5 years, $12 billion. That's
a lot of money.
Just on here.
weave.
Okay, we take vacations. We could be coming here. So there's so much opportunity that Afro-Americans or Afro-Caribbean or Afro-British that we could give to Africa, that we could give to Kenya. But I just don't think we're on their radar.
So I see you have a logo on your shirt, and I know there's a reason behind the words. So maybe you talk to us about that, and you tell us.
Okay. It would be my pleasure. CREDEA stands for the Coalition for the Repatriation of the Descendants of Enslaved Africans. The whole idea behind CREDEA, it came out of the challenges I have of trying to relocate to Kenya. There is currently no process by which a descendant of the transatlantic slave trade, so an African who was moved 500 years ago, to be able to come back to Africa. There's no procedure. So CREDEA started as to bring awareness that there's a bunch of us who want to come back home. There's no policy for us to come back home. So let us try and encourage, I wouldn't say convince, encourage some of these African countries to give us the right to return.